Dynaplus, professional quality screws for optimal screwing ease. With Dynaplus, you work fast, easily and safely with different building materials. In our screw lab in the Netherlands, we are continuously working on the development of even better screws. The Dynaplus universal screws are most often used. Due to the unique design, they have a very low screw-in torque. The screws start immediately when they touch the wood. They turn very quickly, and the special cross-sections at the point bite into the wood. Dynaplus, Fasteners' finest. The outdoor universal screws, with their special anti-rust coating, are real powerhouses. They are up to twice as strong as stainless steel screws. No more trouble with screws that break off during screwing. And very high-quality protection against rust formation thanks to the unique AR coating C4. Next to the universal screws, a number of special screws have also been developed for specific applications. From decking screws, hinge screws, and MDF screws to large wood construction screws for structures. The right screw for every job. Dynaplus, Fasteners' finest.